Next up, Blackfell oil fields. In this quick video, I'll be showing you how to do the mystical crate, weapon and armor crates, as well as the elite enemy, and of course activate the 2 rift anchors. Obviously, activating the rift anchors is the easy bit, but you'll eventually come across here for a mission when you're around level 40. Seems like there's some other people here, so hopefully I can still show you the elite. But essentially, heading over to this southwest corner over here, heading all the way up this little metal thing, you'll find the weapon crate right here. And it seems like the elite is just over here, currently being attacked by some other players, the bushes. We can hit the weak spot on the back in order to do a ton more damage. And well, there we go. The elite is down. Pretty simple. Obviously, I didn't do too much damage there, but you get the point. This is what we get from it. For the mission, you'll need to head across to this central area over here, where you'll listen to some people speak, and you'll have to basically go all the way back to where you came from. But while we're still here, let's finish off. Heading over here to the northeast rift anchor, we can activate it, and there's quite literally nothing in the area. There seems to be another elite over here towards the northeast, and I'm not entirely too sure what got me down. Anyways, the elite over here is something you kill and loot. It seems like because I didn't do any damage to it, I didn't get any loot from it. Anyways, there is a second elite towards the west side over here. Now we'll head towards the next rift anchor as we've got everything up from this side. So heading to the southeast corner over here, the next weapon crate you'll find inside of these northern buildings over here. As you can see, just inside of this one, right over here is the weapon crate, or well, another one. Opening this up, this is what we get from it. That's actually really good. Then all that we have next is the next rift anchor, so we'll activate this. There's a morphic chest right next to it. Then immediately above this rift anchor, you'll see the mythical crate just on top of this. Getting up there can be a little bit of a challenge, but essentially you can climb over here, then onto this white thing, followed by jumping directly behind you onto the railing, and you can grab yourself the mythical crate. Pretty simple. In my case, this is what I get. And of course, you can see there's some notes left on this, which can help you find your way up if you're not entirely too sure. It seems like you may need to parkour unless you can somehow get across this pipe or something like that. Anyways, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name has been Troubleshoot. I'll see you all next time. Ciao.